I think I got one. Excuse me, I'm Myra, student from Nigeria. May I know your name? Oh, I'm April. This is my boyfriend, Benedict. Do you want to undergo the makeover program? Oh, what a coincidence. It is our 3rd anniversary today, and we have a date later. Sir, would you like to make over your girlfriend?
I think it's so nice. I want to see her new look.
So, come on, let's go to the salon. Okay.
Kita nung nabaki na ba? Applyan natin ang detalye.
Pangilinan, maraming salamat.
Siyempre mo applyan na.
100% nourishment.
Applyan pa ng banding.
Sabi nga, apply pa siya ng So, how are you feeling right now?
I feel excited.
Before we had makeover, your girlfriend's hair looked so bad. And her dress is untidy and boyish. And here she is! So, how do you feel? I feel so very happy and so ready for date? I'm ready for a date now. Thank you!
I like the way she looks right now. The dress, the hair, and she looks awesome. Thank you, Ambush Makeover.
1, 2, 3, 4. Fizzle came through when I'm blazing out the dough. Holding 5 to 6 hoes, causing frenzies round the globe. And my belly stay froze, cause my chain ain't low. Now I'm getting...
Hello everyone! Welcome to Ambush Makeover Tea. And we are now here at the house of our letter sender. He will be needing our help because he has a date later. So come on, let's see him.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Paul. He is our letter sender. So hello Paul.
Hi. I will be needing your help because I have a dinner date later. Can you help me dress up?
Sure. I would like you to meet my friend, John.
Hi, nice to
John,
meet you.
this is Paul. John will be helping you to dress up.
Okay.
Okay, take me to your wardrobe.
Okay.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my own. I'm so lonely. I'm
What do you
Mr.
think the best shirt for me to wear
Wait,
later?
let me see. I think you'll be needing this. This one is from Dolce & Gabbana and it has horizontal stripes, so you will look wider and your body will become larger. You want to try it?
Okay, let's try it. Does my shirt look good to me?
Yes, it looks perfect. Next up, your hair. I think your hair is untidy, so we need to use this. It's a gift from Gatsby, and it will give your hair a nice look. Okay, first, put it in your hands and spread it. Then put it in your hair from backwards, forwards. Then, you will need to brush it like this.
Does it look great?
Yeah, it looks great. Do you like it?
I like it very much.
Okay, do you think you're ready for a date?
I'm very much excited.
Okay.
Ako na yata ang pinakamagandang lalaki sa mundo. Sa piling mo, pagkasama kita, ang nadarama. Ako na yata ang pinakamagandang lalaki sa mundo.
Hi, Paul. You're back. So, how does it feel?
I feel good and confident. I like my new style and my new hair.
Oh, amazing. You look so great. So, good luck to your date later.
Okay, thank you. Thanks to you. Thank you, Ambush Makeover.
Well, this is Ambush Makeover too. Bye! Looking for myself prospect.
Ulit yan.